Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Garmin Forerunner 245 or 245 music tutorial video. In this video I'm going to show you how to change or customize the widgets that are displayed on the Garmin Forerunner 245. So real quick, widgets are going to be anything that you see on the watch after selecting up or down. So as you can see, I can see last sports and things like that, and I can also select down and see training status and health stats, different things like that, including music controls, notifications. All those are considered widgets. So we customize those first by selecting the up button and holding it down. Once we're in the menu, select the down button until you see widgets. Use the start and stop button to select that. And then from here we can see all of the live widgets, the ones that are active on the Forerunner 245. So we can scroll through those. If you wanted to add a widget, you simply go to the bottom, select that, and then it will show the widgets that are not active on your watch, and you could select that to add it. Once it's been added, if you want to change the order of the widgets so that that one's closer to the watch face or easier to get to, you simply select into it by using the start or stop button, and then go to reorder. Now it's going to allow you to move it anywhere you want in the list of widgets. Remember, the top and the bottom are going to be the closest to the watch face. So I'm going to move it to the very top and select start or stop to save it there. And then when I go back to my watch face and select the down button, it'll be the next widget that is there. If you want to remove a widget, simply go back to the widget menu, find the widget that you want to remove. So I'll remove this verb widget. So select it and then just scroll down and then you select remove. That'll remove it from the widgets on your watch. Another way to change the widgets and customize the order or remove or add widgets on the Garmin Forerunner 245 is to simply do it from one of the widgets. So as you can see, I'll go up to the cycling widget. All I need to do to change this or add a new widget is select the up button. I can reorder this widget right there, move it around. I can also remove the widget or add a new widget. So I have those options right there. I can do that all from the widget. I don't have to go into the settings at all. So that's how you change or customize the widgets on your Garmin Forerunner 245. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Garmin Forerunner 245 tutorial videos, check the link in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up. And please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets. More gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.